guys, welcome to VChem World. Today we will discuss on the close packing in 3 dimension. Earlier lecture we discussed on the close packing in 1 dimension and 2 dimension, and also discussing on the 3 dimension close packing from 2 dimension square close packed layer. In this lecture we discuss on the hexagonal close packed layer. Why this is known as the hexagonal? Because of this atom, consider this atom, it's surrounded by the 6 another atom. When one atom is surrounded by another 6 atom, its coordination number is 6. So it's known as the hexagonal. This is the first layer. When first row arranged this way and second row arranged between the first two atom that way. So this is made up of the one layer, a first layer. This vacant space is known as the void. There are two types of void. It's denoted by the C and B. There are different types of void. When second layer applied on the first layer, this is the first layer, and when second layer apply on this layer. So how to filled with the void C or B? When second layer apply on the C or on the B, but not both. So that way we apply second layer started with the void B. So this is the second layer, it's known as the B layer. When this 3, 1, 2, 3 and this 4, 1, 2, 3 and this 4, its void is known as the tetrahedral void. Because of this void shape is the tetrahedron and this covered by the 4 atom. So this is the tetrahedral void. But when these are 1, 2, 3 and this 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 and 3, 6 and its shape is the octahedral. So this void known as the octahedral. In this B is the tetrahedral and C is the octahedral void. When third layer apply on the second layer, there are two things, octahedral void and tetrahedral void. We consider as the where third layer on the covering tetrahedral voids or covering octahedral voids. That is the covering tetrahedral voids. When we apply third layer on the tetrahedral voids, means this tetrahedral voids cover. So this tetrahedral voids cover. So first layer and third layer is the same. First layer and third layer same. So this pattern is the ABA. First layer is the A layer, second layer is the B layer and third layer same as the A layer. So this is known as the A. So its pattern is ABAB. That way, this is the first layer A, second B, third A. Same pattern ABABA. And its example, metals like magnesium, molybdenum, beryllium, zinc. It's example of the covering tetrahedral voids in 3-dimensional hexagonal close packing. When second is the covering octahedral void. When tetrahedral void cover, so first layer and third layer same. But when octahedral void cover, so first layer and second layer is different from the third layer. That way, first layer, second layer and third layer are different. So first layer known as the A, second layer B and third layer is C. So its pattern is the ABC. That way, this is the A, B and C. Metals like copper, iron, nickel, aluminum, gold and silvers are the example of the hexagonal close packing. How to arrange this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the ABC type. 1, 2, this is the A, this black is the B, this white is C and this is also A. So A, B, C, A. This is like pattern is the covering octahedral voids in hexagonal close packed layer. So this is the all about the 3-dimensional close packing from 2-dimensional hexagonal close packed layer. When first layer is same, second layer is the different covering A or B and third layer is different from the covering tetrahedral voids or covering octahedral voids. When covering tetrahedral voids, its pattern AB types, and covering octahedral voids, its pattern ABC. Then next is the interstitial voids or interstitial site. When they divided into two, tetrahedral void or site and octahedral void or sites. When tetrahedral void sites means the sphere in a second layer is placed above three layers touching one another. For example, 1, 2, 3 first layer atom and this atom is the second layer. So these four are make this void. This void is known as the tetrahedral void. Why this is known as the tetrahedral void? Because of the shape of the void is not tetrahedral, but its arrangement of this atom is tetrahedral. That way they known as the tetrahedral void or site. Next is the octahedral void or site. Octahedral means 6 lobe, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Third in first layer and third in second layer. So these are made the octahedral voids. These octahedral voids are arranged in this shape octahedron. So it's known as the octahedral voids or sites. Next, number of octahedral and tetrahedral voids or sites. Tetrahedral voids is equal to 2n and octahedral voids is equal to n. That means that the octahedral voids is half of the tetrahedral voids, or another meaning tetrahedral voids is double to the octahedral voids. That means n and 2n, and total number of tetrahedral and octahedral voids is equal to 3n. 2n plus n is equal to 3n. So it's all about the interstitial voids or interstitial sites. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.